Hello and welcome to the channel. Today we got 4 minutes to talk about sketching. This is a drawing, a little quick sketch I did before doing something in my sketchbook. It's all about looking for ideas and being loose. For a good couple of years it's pretty much all I did, sketching like this in ink, roughly this size. I think it's a good way to work on your perspective, work on your sketching skills, work on your creativity. Basically, work on your drawing skills. The gear I'm using here is the one I'm always using, so I'm just on a copy paper, and this is my Pilot G Tec C4 0.4 pen, which I think is extremely versatile. With a bit of practice, you learn how to do extremely light lines with it, and once you give it a bit of pressure, it will give a very, very, very solid black. So there you go. I'm working on a sci-fi scene, as always, and the idea is to have a little office corner by a big window. See here, I'm doing the box in which I'll be sketching the chair, and learning to do boxes like these to build an object in perspective is a very, very useful tool. There are people out there that explain how to do it and probably do it a lot better than me. Product Designer Maker is one of them. I highly recommend his channel if you're interested in this sort of thing. But just know that building boxes is an essential skill. So here we're going to make it a bit sci-fi with some funky windows and a sci-fi door. I'm going to keep it pretty simple. The idea for this sketch is I just want this office corner. I want to make it busy. I'll put stuff on the floor. I'll put something in the foreground on the bottom right of the picture here to make it look lived in, busy. Even though there'll be no character in it, I want you to have the impression that somebody lives here. So a couple of drawers here on the left, a 60s design chair in the middle, and there you go, just something that would be a table here with some items on it. Yeah, practice your sketching. It's a very, very, very useful tool. Practice how to be loose. You don't care if the perspective is right, you don't care if the shadows are right, you don't care about much. All you want to do here is record an idea, something to work on later. Just try to have all the elements that will make the final image present. Like here, I know I'll want a shadow right there, so we're going to hint this here. There we go. We'll put a bit of texture on the door, possibly a window that sees on the outside. And that's pretty much it. Just be loose and feel free and try to have fun while you do these. They're meant to be relaxing. So we got 1 minute to fill here. I'll take it as an occasion to thank you all for joining this little channel. We're nearing 600 subscribers, and I think that if we ever hit 1,000, I'll do a giveaway. I think it's something that I should do to thank you all for your support. While I put a little monitor right here and a keyboard on the desk. There we go. See, not much, just ideas. Quick, loose, relaxed. The whole sketch here took, I think, 13 minutes, maybe 12. You shouldn't aim for detail, you should just have some fun with it. So I'm curious if these sketches have your interest. I'll do more of these videos if they do. And if not, we'll stick to the bigger drawings full of time-lapse. Anyway, guys, thank you for joining. Thank you for looking. If you have any questions, let me know. Bye-bye.